Shoes. Wanted to buy sandal. Wanted to buy sandal for ladies and gentlemen. Wanted to buy shoes.
Okay, mom. Friend, I have to buy some shoes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's find a shop.
Okay, let's go.
Shoe, sandal, chapel. You wanted to buy shoe. I have a perfect and royal, sir. Wanted to buy shoe.
Hello, sir. I want to buy some shoes. What kind of shoes do you have?
There are so many shows, fixed shows. It is the royal for men.
Okay.
So you wanted to buy for men. It is fixed. It is royal, sir, for you. It will be fit and fine for you.
Is it good?
Yes, sir. Why not?
But it's like so hard.
It is the fixed, sir. There is no bottom. There is no bottom. It's the fixed, sir.
It will be good, right?
Yeah.
Check, my friend. Is it good or
I
not?
think it's good.
It's good.
I think.
How much does it cost?
It's 250 taka, sir. only.
250 taka?
Yes, sir. It's royal. No, it is royal. I mean, look, it's fixed. There is no bottom. Okay, it is. It will be fit and fine for you, sir.
Can you give me some discount?
We are students, sir.
Are you student?
Yes.
From where?
We are studying at English Fantasy, sir. You know?
You are student of English fantasy?
Yes, sir.
I have a dream. I will send my two babies in English fantasy. Okay, if you are student, I love you. So that's why I will give some discount. Okay.
How much do you want to reduce?
Okay, it will be only 200 taka, sir. Only.
No, sir. It's
So expensive.
total expensive, right?
High.
So we will give you 120 taka for
120 taka, it will be lost, sir. It will be lost
No,
because
sir.
I am a small businessman. It will be lost for me, sir.
We will give you 120 taka. If possible, please pack it.
Okay, I love you because you are student of English fantasy. Very cool pack it is.
He has given us. Did we cheated?
Yeah, I think.
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, sorry. You are the student. You are the student of English fantasy. I love you. So that's why I give you.
Okay, if it's good, then pack it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, do you?
Do you need another shoe?
Yeah, I need another show for my younger sister. So, do you have kids shows?
Yes, sir. This is for the ladies or girls. It will be perfect, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like nice, right?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. How much does it cost?
250 taka, sir.
250 taka?
Yes, sir.
That's expensive, man.
No, sir. No, sir. It is perfect, sir. It is perfect.
Okay, we don't need this. We will purchase another day, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, give me the shows and take the money, please.
Here it is, sir.
Please take the money and bring change.
Oh, sir, I have no exchange. You should exchange it.
No, I don't have any.
Torigul, do you have exchange?
Yes, boss, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
This
thank
is your exchange. Come again, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll
Thank
come
you.
again.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we should go home now.
Okay, let's
Oh yeah, I have a show. We wanted to buy show. I have a show. I have a show. Wanted to buy show.